Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to send dice to your friends on Monopoly Go. So as you can see right now, I'm currently on the Monopoly Go application. And to be direct here, is there a really way to send directly a dice to your friends? The answer would be no. However, there is an indirect way that we can try, because as of now, Monopoly Go didn't added that feature yet, sending dice to your friends, okay? So the indirect way to do it is, as you can see right there, this little bright chest over here is gonna be called community chest. By clicking this one, you're gonna have dials. However, before you can unlock this, you need to have 5 friends to invite on Monopoly Go. So basically, inside this chest has a lot of prizes, and one of its prizes would be darts, or rather dice, okay? And that's actually the indirect way to having a dice on Monopoly Go. So we just need to wait for the feature to send dice directly. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.